Good morning po sa ating lahat. Welcome to my vlog. Naglalaga ako ng paninda ko Shout out Marvin Janet Pauson. Jan J Renz Bautista, shout out. Tintin Roca, hi Tintin. Kumusta? Kumusta ka Tintin? Jocelyn Sanchez, Evelyn Sanchez, shout out. Puto Kalasiao. Sumbagal Kalasiao, shout out. Nida, shout out. Tamlata Nida. Kumpare Rodel Perez, shout out. Pare Kumare Cora, shout out. Perez Bautista Balingao, shout out. Mare P. Bacolcol, shout out. Joong Hoson, shout out. Boss Eric, shout out. Carlo Anjo Navarro, tak boss, shout out. Jordan Franco, shout out. Dalawang apo ko si John Jujin, Maria Josephine. Yung dalawang anak ko rin, si Mary Joy at John Jonathan. Charmac Ma'am Rose, shout out. Ma'am Fatima Joy, shout out. Ma'am Sophia Andrea Bardonado, shout out ma'am. Naglalaga na akong paninda ko para mamaya. See you na. May gagawin pa ako Thank you. Good morning ulit sa ating lahat